Hi guys, I'm just walking down the street. Do you hear that? That's a massive, like, vulture thingy. It's like up in my tree. See that?
What are you doing?
Recording a YouTube video.
They ended up stopping him.
Where is he?
They have a
Get up that high, it's a big bird though.
Go to the right, down and to the left, down and to the...
Alright, let's zoom out. Where he is?
Alright, I texted, Really? Patty, I'll see you soon.
I didn't know that. Well, his oldest son, I went to high school with, and you know, he committed suicide.
Find it.
Yeah.
I don't see you guys, I'm sorry.
It's about my house with that.
Okay.
And I know the dad had fishes too.
Yes, the dad is a big long dad.
I know he went to jail. Like, did stuff or something.
Yes, he did. See, now he's moving
Yeah,
closer to
roll,
where that nest. See, now by looking at him, I don't necessarily know I would agree that he's a vulture.
No, I think he's a crow.
I think he's a big ass crow.
Yeah, I think he's
And
a
I
big
think he's
crow.
moving up to where the nest is. Huh.
See that massive?
He doesn't have a full head like a vulture.
Yeah, you see, he's kind of climbing up towards that nest area.
Oh yeah, that's his home.
Yeah, I think he's just a big ass freaking crow.
I agree with you.
Never seen one that big though.
It could very well be that she's a girl and she's pregnant. And that's why she's as big as she is.
Oh yeah, she's going. See? Yup.
Record that, Cody.
I am. It's going on YouTube. Hear that, guys?
It's pretty funny, right? So yeah, so that's our
Alright, guys, I'm gonna upload this soon.
Daryl's like, yeah.
Yeah, there you go.
Thankfully, they do have a dog, but thankfully the dog doesn't spend a lot of time outside because the backyard isn't fenced in yet, so it's not up to me. So I said, yeah, once they fence it, I said, we're sweet, we're good.
The dog's gonna be on.
I just don't know what.
Ah, big truck. Whoa. I don't know if you guys can see that. There's like a
That's why she's so
huge
cute.
nest. You see that massive, like, black spot?
The things we have
Right,
in our
like,
neighborhood.
there. Do you see it?
It's been interesting living around here.
Right?
Oh, there's never a dull moment over on Whitestone Slash Huntington.
No, there never is, I have to say. I told that to Gavin all the time.
There's always something going on.
He's like, all right, everybody, you've had your show, now leave me alone.
I'm gonna go for a bike ride. You wanna go for a bike ride?
I'm recording this on YouTube, by the way. This is gonna go on YouTube. I'll tell you the name of it. I'll tell you the name.
I'll see you later, Patty.
All right, guys, have a good day.
All right.
Oh my God! Do you guys hear that? Let's go. That was like a really big bird, guys. It's like, I don't know if you guys could see it though. Cause I'm sorry, cause I'm like bad at holding a camera. Oh my God! This thing went right up there. Hold on. It's like huge, guys. It's insane. Alright, guys.
I really want to charge that.
Hold on.
You guys
Okay,
stop recording.
I will. Alright, guys, I'm going to end the video here. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was pretty hard to make. I mean, sorry I couldn't, like, get the crow or the vulture for you guys. And, let's end the video here.
That's pretty
Bye.
badass.